In our OG class, we're working on that alternating thumb pattern in the root song, Better Times Will Come. This is new to you. The thumb is alternating between the G string and the C string. So watch right here. So you might want to start just doing this, getting comfortable with back and forth. And you know, we're not quite pushing in when we make a sound. When we're doing this, it is more like a pluck in this particular technique, like so. So just start with that. And then we're going to complement each pluck with a flick. And you know, the question might be, are you flicking over all four strings? I'm not even thinking about it. I'm flicking, and whatever my fingers catch is good enough. So we would hit the G, flick, C, flick, G. Get this down slowly. Now, how can we add to this? We can do a pluck on one of the bass strings, so the G or the C, they're turning into our bass strings, and then we can flick down and come up. So it's sort of a boom chukka, boom chukka, boom chukka, boom chukka. And I notice just watching myself, just ergonomically, letting my body find its way and not trying to think too much. I'm going down, and I'm coming up with my index finger. So pluck, down, up, pluck, down, up, pluck, down, up, pluck, down, up. Oops, forgot to do the alternating. Here's one more idea. Plucking the string and doing a chuck. So watch. Better times will come, better times will come. Will this world learns to live as one? Oh, better times will come. I threw in the whole kitchen sink on that one.